How to fix Norwegian Cruise app not working. First thing first, you need to check whether your application is up to date or not. Head over to your App Store. In the source bar, search for Norwegian Cruise app. Head over to this application. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and this might be the cause of your problem. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once the update has been completed, now the next thing you want to try doing is clearing the cache of the app. In order to do it, head over to the settings of your device. Move ahead to General, and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, you need to search for the application Norwegian Cruise. Once you find it, head over to it. Now click on Offload app, and then once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run efficiently and smoothly. After this, if you're still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has fixed the issue, and then you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Norwegian Cruise app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.